Okay, guys, this is for the week of May 18th, 2020. And what we're doing here is we're going to be looking for a trade setup per our rules in the book, as you've seen. Now, here's a blank chart. What we're going to do, remember, we're going to have, this is the hourly chart you see here. And we're going to mark up our chart in render. So the week begins here, May 18th. So Friday was the 15th, Monday's the 18th, right? Because as you know, we don't trade on Sunday. Simply, we're going to draw a single line trend line down, and there you can see the trade. So let's see how we would have taken that trade, okay? Have a look at the screen as it is blank now, and then I'm going to put all the bits on it, and you'll see the trade that we took. 1 second. Right, here we go. We now have all the bits put on. Here's the trend line. I just showed you the trend line. Here's the trade. Now, this is interesting. It's a strong trend, isn't it? You can see we're going down. This is the 200 moving average on the hour chart. But we look for trades on the 15-minute charts. These are previous levels, potential turning points in the market where price could change, could turn. And that's why we put our trend line on, because we're looking for those areas. Now, someone could say, why not put a trend line here like that? Well, it doesn't quite fit our rule criteria. We want typically a 45-degree angle covering the tops. And when that trend line, I mean, you could do it with a steeper trend line. Look at this. Oh, why not put a trend line down here like that? That would have worked. Why not, put a trend line down here like that, right? Typically, 45-degree angle is what we're looking at. So we do have specific rules, right, that we use per our strategy, detailed in the book. So this is exactly what we're looking for. We've prepared our chart. Here's the beginning of the week. Here's the end of the week. We put the trend line on the hourly chart. It seemed like we got nearly a break there, and then it broke here. See, that I might have ignored. It went straight back under. Right? If you did try and trade that and you had your stop loss there, you would have survived. But full candle, open and close outside the trend line, pull back 50%. We got to the 618. We didn't get to the 200, but we have those three as targets, as you know. 50% entry, just at the trend line. Yeah, take profit. 54 pips at the 100, first take profit. All right, second take profit is a 618, 122 pips. And we didn't get to the third, which would be 160. So if you add the amount you made there, you made 154, right? And then break of the 100, it broke above, pull back to it. We go to the 618, 54, 66, and then you got a runner, which you would have pulled to the 100, you'd be at break even there. So that you would have been stopped out on that one, yeah? On the runner at break even. So you'd have only made 51. So it's about, in this move here, total, you made about 150 pips. 3 positions would have run, and in that little bit of movement, 150 pips. But let's drop it down to the 15-minute chart, so you can just look a little bit more closely at what it would have looked like, and also the time it would have taken. So this divides the day. So this would have been the Thursday. This is the Friday. It broke above the trend line, pulled back. It broke above it again and went slightly above. So you're saying to yourself, well, we're above the trend line, clearly above the trend line. Pull back to it at the 50. Now there's your entry. If you wait for the engulf above it, you could have got in here, right? Typically, pending order, I'm in. And if you went to the 161, it just about made it. It's 121 pips. Okay, break of the 100 fib, candle above it, pull back into it. You go to the 618, 63 pips. Look at that. That's a close-up of what it looks like, guys. Okay, so in this move, you got, 150, 200 pips with multiple positions running to target. Very specific, very clear, per our rules. Hope you enjoyed this trade setup. There's many more like it to come. Thank you very much for watching. I really do appreciate your involvement.